If you're getting a CapCut sign-up error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is one of those issues that can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that most of the time it comes down to either your system time, your connection, or a cache problem inside CapCut itself. So stay with me, follow along carefully, and by the end you'll know exactly what to try next. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the first and most important fix, which is syncing your system time. A lot of people do not realize this, but authentication tokens can fail if your PC clock does not match the server time exactly. Even a small mismatch can cause CapCut sign-up to fail. On Windows, right-click the time in the taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. Once that settings page opens, turn on Set Time Automatically and also Set Time Zone Automatically. After that, click Sync Now so your computer updates its clock with the correct network time. When that is done, close the settings window, fully restart CapCut, and try signing up again. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue immediately. If you still see the error after syncing the time, then the next thing to check is your connection and environment. Sometimes a network block is preventing the sign-up server from responding properly. The first thing to do here is disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies often trigger security blocks, especially on apps that are trying to verify your location or protect account creation. So if you have one running, turn it off completely before trying again. If that does not solve it, switch networks. A very simple test is to connect your computer to a mobile hotspot for a moment instead of using your normal Wi-Fi. This helps you rule out router restrictions, DNS issues, or a network-level block from your internet connection. Open CapCut PC again and try the sign-up process on that new connection. If it works on Hotspot but not on Wi-Fi, then you know the problem is your original network, not CapCut itself. Now let's move on to another very common fix, which is clearing the app cache. If CapCut has stored corrupted temporary data, that can interfere with the sign-up process and cause repeated errors. To clear it, open CapCut PC, then click the settings icon, which looks like a hexagon in the top right corner. From there, go to the Settings tab, look for cache size, and click the delete icon, which is usually the trash can. Then confirm that you want to clear the cache. After that, close CapCut completely and reopen it before trying to sign up again. This refreshes the app and removes a lot of temporary problems that can silently break login or registration. Now, here is a very important note. If you see the exact message saying retry after 24 hours, stop immediately and do not keep trying over and over. That specific error usually means you have hit a server-side hard block. In that case, waiting a full 24 hours without making a single attempt is the only fix. Repeated tries can sometimes make the block last longer, so the best thing you can do is wait it out, then come back later and try once the cooldown has fully passed. So, to quickly recap, start by syncing your system time, because that is one of the most common causes. Then disable VPNs or proxies, and test a different network like a hotspot. After that, clear CapCut's cache and restart the app. And if you see the retry after 24 hours message, wait the full time before trying again. Follow those steps in order, and you'll have the best chance of fixing the CapCut sign-up error fast. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more app fixes and walkthroughs, and leave a comment if you want me to cover another CapCut problem next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.